We are pleased to show you 2021 Range Rover, the luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.